Pakilala po, Tito Jim.
Okay. Jimmy Santos, from the Europe-speaking cow of the green grass of home, of Barangay Pateros, Metro Manila.
Kasabihan po.
When I was born,
Kasabihan pa lang. Kasabihan pa lang. Kasabihan pa lang.
I was a baby.
Natural.
I'm the from the panganay. Pangatlo sa panganay. Nag-aral ako sa Pateros Elementary School nung elementary.
Kasabihan eh, kwento
po.
yung ginagawa
Kasabihan.
mo eh.
Parang time is gold. Ano po?
I take my first year at University of the East.
Opo.
First semester.
First po. Opo.
But after first semester, I transferred to Jose Rizal College.
Opo. Yung kasabihan po.
Ito nga yung...
Okay.
Sorry po, sorry po.
Continue po,
Sorry lang po.
Then after that, I proceed also in Mariwasa, Pasig,
Pasig naman na po.
Rosario. I worked there as a maker of 4x4 tiles.
Yan na yung kasabihan.
Then after that, I also try out
Oh.
in the vicinity of Jose Rizal College.
JRU.
Yeah. Then after proceeding, I discovered
The
that Magellan discovered the Philippines.
Mga anong oras po yung kasabihan dyan?
Asa na?
Asan po yung kasabihan?
Ito na.
Oh, yan na.
Ito na!
In short, see you at the lobby.